Hey guys, and welcome to my plan with me. Today I'm going to be using the honey mini kit along with the sampler and the fourth page from the deluxe kit in the pink lemonade kit. I was foiling it in office and it didn't foil well, so I thought I'd keep it. And the colors actually went really well with this kit, so I thought I'd use it here. I'm going to be pulling in some icons and bow headers from that sheet. Only available in the deluxe kit. That sampler that you see is available as an add-on and it's included in the deluxe. I do have a video up on IGTV explaining the mini kit format and the deluxe kit format changes to our shop. Hopefully you guys are really liking it. I think you guys are. I'm really excited to offer more foil in our deluxe kits. Previously we didn't have that much and I just kind of had to reformat a few things. So I love this kit because it's really yellow and it just reminds me of like being happy in this very unsettling times. I hope you guys are doing well. I feel like personally for me, my life hasn't changed too much since I do work from home. I don't really commute anywhere. I don't go to an office, nor do I like socialize with my ton of coworkers and such. I do socialize with friends maybe like once or twice a week. I used to go to Korean class every Wednesdays, but you know, everything is canceled. So I would say that that besides that, and like I used to go to Target a lot and I just used to go walking a lot. So a park they were building next to my house just finished. They were building it for like 6 months or so. And it's a gorgeous park. I understand why it took so long. So I've been going there instead of like going to an outdoor shopping mall, which I used to, because I don't know, you never know when you go kind of further away, I guess. So my park doesn't have too many people because it's really new. And I guess people all still work from home or so. My boyfriend is, if you guys didn't know, he works for Caesars. Because in the weekdays I don't see too many people there, honestly, and then I avoid going on the weekends because there are definitely a lot more people there. But on the weekdays, it's really rare to see like people there, which is really nice because it allows me to get some fresh air, walk my dogs, and I've been posting this on Instagram, but I have been going there to paint as well. Don't worry, I'm not like touching any table or anything. I just kind of sit somewhere and I have a clipboard, so I'm not like placing anything down, and then I wash my clothes immediately. So yeah, I would say also my hands, I'm sorry, are so dry because I've been cleaning a ton. So you know, I've been just using more chemicals than usual, so my hands are like just so dry, and I have eczema, so it doesn't help either. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying the plan with me. I did speed it up a little bit, so it'll be faster. I am doing a washi bar on the sidebar. If you guys do attempt this, make sure to tag me at #washibar because I really want to see you guys do this. I have been seeing a little bit, and it's so cute. I think it looks really lovely, especially when you don't have to track anything in your sidebar. Or you just want to be a little bit more decorative, use your washi a little bit more. I do have a video on IGTV on different ways that I use washi. I don't remember if I uploaded on YouTube or not. Maybe I did. But I'm gonna try to upload on both platforms because I asked you guys on Instagram and I kind of got like a 50-50 response, so it'll just be better to upload twice. And on IGTV you can skip forward and backward. You just need to like actually click on the video instead of like watching a preview. In the preview you can't skip ahead, but if you click on the actual video you definitely can. If you miss a detail you can go back or you can skip ahead. I also use some transparent stickers in this, and I try to bring in some cute functionals. You guys know I bring in a ton of bows, but when I start planning with like our actual deluxe kit, you will see how many layering stickers are included. This sampler is actually an older format, but I am going to be uploading more videos. I just changed my filming setup, so I'm sorry if the lighting is a little bit different. I'm just trying to figure it all out. So yeah. What I love about our kits is that we include a ton of labels and layering stickers. I think they're both really important, especially for me, and all the labels are really different. Some you have like bow sparkles, or you have like a bow in the middle, and then you just have like a whole bunch of pattern ones as well. And then you'll see in the new sampler that there are just so many layering stickers. And this is kind of how I've been planning. I've been scattering my checklist. I love using the mini checklist included in our kit. And this is the Viv Wiggle. I ended up adding a little bit more deco just to be really cute. And yeah, this is a cute little wiggle, and hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I'll catch you guys next time.